here's where we're at with the coaster today. We made some progress, not enough progress, but I'm sure it's all gonna be fine. It'll probably all be fine. Check it out. Okay, Lyle, what are you doing?
Riding it.
All right, good luck. See ya. Whoa. That was way fast. Uh-oh, see, here's where your problem is gonna be.
Can you help me a little bit? Get me to flat? Because I don't have a seatbelt. I'm just kind of hanging. I'm just hanging here. Oh, that's better. Yeah, my hand was right there and I was falling up against that.
Nice. So. Okay, what's your assessment of the thing?
Let's go higher. Let's go higher. I need the...
Well, no, I was worried because you got like way up to there, and if you get over there, then jeepers, we got issues.
No, if I get up to there, then that's gonna just stop. That's gonna stop me because I'll barely crest over it. I'll be going like...
Except for that big piece of pipe sticking out.
Yeah, well, yeah. I don't think you'll get that far.
Yeah, I will.
All right, you can go this far, and I'm gonna run around. I'll just catch you from the other end.
Here,
all right, you ready?
Wait, go. One more. Don't be scared.
I can't. I don't have more balance.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Whoa! Damn!
Whoa.
Oh. Let me see if I can get you back off the...
No. Bring me down to that paint part. It'll be easier to get off.
The pain part?
Yeah, the paint part. It's so easy. I can shoot.
What's really interesting to me is no matter where you start on this track, you end up at the same height because the radius keeps decreasing, and so you really do. All right, what do you think?
Or I'm going to shoot it in slow-mo.
Ooh, slow-mo. Is that the station? Is this where we're getting on this thing now? It's a horror show. All right. This is really bad. Look, there's mommy.
Here, go up one more, because I can go up one more.
Look at the awesome upgrades to the wheel assembly. So now it's braced from both sides. Very fancy.
I could totally go up, like, just like...
No, you can't. If you go past this, you're in trouble. That can't
All right,
stop
I can't get you any higher than this anyway.
Okay, here, just push
All right.
up. Just, like, give me a nut.
Oh boy. All right. So, don't you do that. All right. So here's the cart. It's looking pretty good, yeah?
Okay, the slow-mo is fun.
Do you have the realization of Lyle's impending doom?
No, I have your
Okay, that's the update for the day. It's been a kooky weekend. Old John has been really busy with his life, go figure, but we made a lot of progress on the cart. So we've got handrails on the cart, we've got a seat on the cart. Like I said a couple of seconds ago, we've completely updated the front wheel assembly here so that it's not just braced in this cantilever thing up the front, and it's got another one on the back, which makes it really hard to take apart, but I think I built it pretty well. And now it's like super duper strong, more flexible, higher, bigger turning radius, bigger bank angles, and crazy strong. So I feel really, really happy about this. And now all we need is a floor, and then the cart's done. And then all we have to do is we have to finish that's going to be an airtime drop. So we come up and around the decreasing radius conservation of angular momentum helix. We go over the top here, over the original piece of track, and then there's going to be an airtime drop. It's going to go boom, and then it'll circle back around with a bank turn or some other way to bleed off the too much speed that we seem to have, and then it'll go back to the lift hill, up the lift hill. So that's the scoop. That's the weekend progress, and stay tuned. My good buddy Nicholas from ACE is going to be starting to publicize an event where you can come and see this in person. You can come and visit the coaster. That's the scoop. Thank you for helping me bring physics, family, and fun to kids everywhere. I am Will Pemble. I will see you soon.